What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mike Brooks with Mike's Madden School. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. I know why you're here. You here because you want to learn how to start your YouTube channel. Now, what I'm going to do today is I have 10 questions that I see a lot of people asking about getting started. And so we're just going to go over those questions. And as I go over those questions, I'll show you step by step how to get started with your YouTube channel today so we can all make money playing YouTube. I don't know what I was trying to say there. So we can all make money on YouTube today, because let's face it, this economy isn't getting any better anytime soon. So let's get started. So I have 10 questions here that I have seen all over the internet that are the most asked questions about starting a YouTube channel. Question number 1, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? To me, it's a no-brainer, and I have 3 specific reasons why you should start a YouTube channel today. Reason number 1, it's absolutely free to do. Most online marketing tactics may cost you some money to get started, or may cost you some money for advertising or things of that nature, but YouTube is absolutely free. Also, there's no limits on how many channels you can make, so this is perfect for people who are just getting started or people who have been in the digital marketing space for a long time. Reason number 2, it's simple to get started. It's really simple to get started with your own YouTube channel. Most of the things that you need to get started, you already have. All you need is a laptop, a decent web camera, a decent mic, and if you don't have any of those things, everybody has a phone that they can use to start making videos. Some extra equipment that you may want is you may want a ring light so you can get that shine on your face, so you can get that nice bright lighting so you will look good on camera. Now, we will talk about this a little later, but even if you don't want to show your face, you can still make money on YouTube, and I'll explain that more in detail as the video goes on. Reason number 3, and the final reason why you should start a YouTube channel today, it doesn't cost your viewers any money and you still get paid. Now let me explain how this works. For the most part, YouTube doesn't make any content that they show on their platform, so they need you to make content. They then promote their platform to companies who want to advertise on their platform. YouTube will show them how many views they can expect on their ads, and if the company agrees, they will start paying to place their ads on YouTube. Now here's where your channel comes in. Once YouTube sees that you're a good partner and you qualify for their terms and conditions, YouTube would then allow you to share in the advertising profits with their partnership program. All you need to apply for YouTube's partnership program is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now here's the cool part. It doesn't cost you anything to make a channel, and it doesn't cost your viewers to watch your channel. And you will still get paid once you qualify for the YouTube partnership program, a portion of the advertiser's money based on how many views you get on your channel. So it's a win for me that makes the channel. It's a win for my viewers because they get to watch my channel for free. And it's a win for the advertising company that gets to promote their product on a channel that gets a lot of views based on their niche product. I hope that made sense. But if you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I love to hear from you, and I'll answer as many questions as I can. So question number 2 that everybody wants to know is, can I really make money on YouTube, and how much? Now for this one, I'm going to be really transparent. And since I'm in the beginning stages of my channel, I've only started a year ago, so I'm going to take you behind the scenes, a first-hand look on the dashboard and the process and how much money I'm currently making and how all that works. So as you can see, this is the front of my channel. I currently have 2.5 thousand views, so basically 2,500 subscribers. So if we go to my dashboard right here, you will see basically some basic analytics to start you off. Basically your current subscriber count, a summary of how many views, watch hours within the last 28 days, your estimated revenue, and then they'll kind of take you through comments and things like that. So what you want to know is the analytics and can we really make money? Now the great part about it, my answer plain and simple is absolutely you can. So I'm going to show you my analytics, and then I'm going to use a software that I've downloaded on my computer, and we're going to show you the estimated amount of other channels' analytics that are a little bigger than mine. So first, as you can see here, we have my channel got 31 Let's say it's round up to 32,000 views in the last 28 days. So how much is 38,000 views worth? My estimated revenue right now is $138.65. So where does that come from? If we click on revenue here, you'll see my RPM, which is what your cost per 1,000 views is, and then playback based on the ads that have been running on my channel. So you can kind of take the medium of that, and I'm getting about $8 to $8.50 per 1,000 views. So now if we look at the estimated revenue here for the next 28 days, $138. So now you can see I started my channel around last May, June-ish, and I first got approved for the partnership program. I got eligible at the end of January, then I got approved within a couple weeks later in February, and so mid-February is kind of when I got going. And then each month after that, as my channel grows, my income grows. Now it doesn't look like a whole lot of money right now, but if you can see the potential of the amount of growth that you will have as you get better, your audience will get bigger and your potential income is endless. So now let's take a look at some estimated amount of what other people are making on their channels that are a little bigger than mine. Next, we're going to look at the other channels that are similar to mine by using a free app called Social Blade. Social Blade is a free Chrome extension, and it gives good information on any YouTube channel. Basically, how much estimated ad revenue they're getting, how many views they're getting a month, and the tags they're using on this particular video. I'm using my channel as an example because you can see based off the numbers I showed you in my YouTube studio that the numbers are pretty accurate. You can see here is the number of current subscribers at the making of this video. Then you can see up here the estimated ad revenue a month, which is pretty close to what I showed you in the YouTube studio. And you can also see how many views I received last month, which is also pretty accurate to what you saw in the YouTube studio. Alright, so this first channel's name is Spruce Goose. He teaches gamers how to become a better Madden player. He currently has over 20,000 subs at the making of this video, and he's currently making on the high end about $2,000 in ad revenue a month. Now pay attention to his view count because this is actually more important than the subscriber count, and I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. So this month he got over 550,000 views. So now if we pay attention between how many views he got and how much money he's making a month, we'll get a better picture. Now you'll understand what I mean when you look at these other examples. Now check out this next example. This next channel we're looking at is called eFish TV. This channel mostly shows gameplay content, mainly fighting games like Tekken or other fighting games. If you look at the bottom left at the subscriber count, he has over 68,000 subscribers. And now if you look at the top at the ad revenue, on the high end he's making $10,000 a month. Now more importantly is his monthly view count. So this month he has over 2.6 million views on his channel. Now that what matters most. Now here's where you can really see the difference in the channels. This channel's name, Jima's World, has over 98,000 subscribers. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, how are they only making $654 a month compared to the other channels with less subs? Well, it's because they only got 160K views compared to the other channels with over 2 million views. That's the difference. Don't get me wrong, you want subscribers because those subscribers are going to be your loyal followers. However, if you don't have a large subscriber base, that doesn't mean you can't make money on YouTube if you put out quality content that people want to see. So this is going to be the last example before we go on to the next question. This channel is called Your Boy Pizza, and he has over 2 million subscribers. Now with those 2 million subscribers, he has about 4.8 million views a month according to Social Blade, and that equals to, on the high end, $20,000 a month in ad revenue. Ladies and gentlemen, that is over $240,000 a year, and obviously we know Social Blade isn't 100% accurate because he could be making more in sponsorships and other things, but if he's making a minimum of that much, he is doing okay for himself. But I still want to point out that it's all about the view count. It is not necessarily the subscriber count. And of course, you want people to subscribe to your channel because they're going to be the loyal followers. They're going to watch your content on a regular basis. But it's all about the view count. The more views you get and the more people you get to watch your videos, then the more money you can make. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video right here with these couple questions. And I kind of changed my mind of what I wanted this video to be. At first I was gonna be 10 questions all in one video, but instead what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break it up into multiple videos with different questions. So I end up having more than 10, but just gonna be like a start your YouTube channel today question and answer. So that's where we're gonna be. So we're gonna stop the video right here. This is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 and so on as we answer more and more questions on how to start your YouTube channel so we can all make money while we're using YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and at the time of making this video, we are on our way to 3,000 subscribers, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so you don't miss this series or any of my other videos. Thank you guys for watching once again. Class is dismissed. Take care.